A bowl of noodles that costs only 50 cents. Yet it feels more satisfying than any takeaway I used to order. When you live alone long enough, you realize something. What heals you isn't noise. It's a one simple meal. Today, I'm making tomato egg noodles. 1 tomato, 1 egg, and some noodles. Nothing complicated. Hot oil in the pan. The eggs turn soft and fluffy. The tomatoes slowly release their juice. Watching this simple process somehow calms me down. I used to think living alone meant living perfectly. Better food, better lifestyle, like I had to prove something. But later I realized all that effort and money didn't really make me happier. Sometimes I wonder, after a long day, maybe all we really want is just a proper meal. It doesn't have to be fancy or expensive, as long as it's warm and made by yourself. That's enough. This bowl of noodles is simple, but it's just right. Living alone isn't that hard. As long as there's a warm meal, life won't feel that bad. This bowl of noodles doesn't just feed my stomach, it feeds my life.